In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and click on Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down and tap on Manage All next to App Notifications. Finally, by clicking on blue switcher next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same and now grey switcher. You can also select Recent under App Notifications and click on one of those options to sort your apps, for example by notification frequency. When you finished, go back. If you want to, you can also select one of your apps over here, and this time manage notifications thanks to this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!